Today's lesson is over saving for college. What we're going to do is we're going to put ourselves into these word problems, and we're going to figure out how to save money for college and how to compare one college to the next. Are y'all with me? All right. So if we're talking about university and colleges, when they say fees, fees are a cost. They cost you money. Fees cost you money. So if you see in a word problem something about tuition and fees, room and board, book and supplies, or personal expenses, that is money that you have to pay for. Are you with me? Okay, you have to pay for those items as soon as you get them. All right? University and college assets. Okay, these saves you money. Okay, savings, grants, and scholarships. Okay, so if you have savings, grants, and scholarships, that is going to save you out of putting money towards your college expense. All right, so these are going to be subtractions. These are going to be things that you add. All right, now you can refer back to this chart when you need to. A periodic deposit calculator. All right, there is one online, but I went ahead and showed you what it looks like. Okay, now right here it says periodic deposit calculator. So the beginning balance was $3,000. So in this situation, they deposited $3,000, and then they did additional quarterly deposits. So every quarter they deposited another $1,000. Okay, that's every 3 months. They deposited another $1,000 into this account. The interest rate is at 3.25%, and they did this for 5 years. When you hit calculate, all right, it tells you what your future value is. Your future value, when you pull this money out after 5 years, you would have $25,148.70. Are you with me? And this one already calculates your interest. It says out of 5 years, you earn $2,148.70 in interest. So this calculator does this for you, okay? All right. Now, finding total cost. When you go to find the total cost of a college or university, we have to add up the total fees, okay? We have to add up the total fees. That's going to be tuition and fees, room and board, books and supplies, personal expenses, parking. Sometimes they make you pay for parking fees, okay? So there's food court fees. There's all this stuff. You'll have to add up all that. Whatever they give you in the equation or the word problem, you have to add all those together. Then you're going to add up your total assets, okay? How much money did you already have in savings? Did you receive a grant? Did you receive a scholarship? Okay, so we have two separate problems going on. Then we're going to subtract the fees from the assets. So that means we're going to take our total cost. Everything the college is going to charge me, okay? Tuition and fees, room and board, books and supplies, all right? Everything they're going to charge me, I have that up here. And then I'm going to subtract out all the money I've saved up or I'm receiving. Are y'all with me? Okay. Then we're going to multiply by how many years the student will be attending college. It's usually a 2 or 4 year university. I'll show you here in just a second. Okay. Watch out for fees or assets that are only for 1 year. They may change your step in the final cost, okay? So you want to watch out for this. So what will happen is you might have a scholarship for 1 year, but you're going to attend a 4-year university, okay? So we can only use that scholarship for year 1. Then we have to recalculate for year 2, 3, and 4, okay? All right, here we go. Last page. All right. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to use this for questions 1 through 4. This is what it's going to look like on any of your tests, your benchmark, your STAR test, things like that. It's going to look just like this. This is going to be given to you, okay? It's going to say a 4-year university estimated cost. Now, the one thing I need to warn you about, okay, this is one thing that gets students. You would assume this is what it's going to cost to go to school for 4 years, right? It's not. This is per year at this 4-year university. Okay? So this is 1 year. Expenses 1 year. Okay? This is expenses for 1 year. So instead of writing Texas A&M, Tarleton State University, UT, UNT, TWU, instead of putting the name of a 4-year university, they just call it 4-year university. Okay? Then you're going to have like a 2-year university or 2-year college. So instead of putting NCTC or was it TCJC down in Fort Worth. So instead of actually putting a name, they're just saying 2-year college or 4-year university. Are y'all with me? So this is kind of like the name. All right. So we have a periodic table. We have $5,000. We're going to do a monthly deposit now of $130. So every month we're going to deposit $130. The interest rate is 3.75%, and we're going to do this for 6 years. At the end of 6 years, I will have $16,737.76. The interest that I would have earned is $2,377.76. Are y'all with me? Okay. So all of this is the cost for how many years? 1 year at a 4-year university, correct? So if I want to figure out what these expenses are going to cost me for 4 years, what would I do?
We'll add them all together and then multiply by 4.
Perfect. All right, here we go. What is the estimated total cost to attend the first year at this university? What is the estimated total cost to attend the first year at this university? What would I do?
Add all them up.
Correct. We're going to add these up. Okay. So we're going to take, let me clear this out. 7,900 plus 6,700 plus 1,800 plus 2,220. Now the reason I'm doing that is because these are all fees. Tuitions and fees, room and board, books and supplies, personal expenses. Okay. I got $18,620. Okay, so it is going to cost for the very first year to attend this college is $8,620. What is the estimated total cost for attending this university all 4 years? What would I do? Go ahead. Multiply by 4. So I'm going to take 18,620 and I'm going to multiply it by 4. And I would get, so I'm just going to hit times 4, $74,480. $74,480. All right. Is everybody okay with that part?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The Nelson family invests $5,000 into an account that earned 3.75% interest. Okay, that's referring to this right up here, okay? They deposit an additional $130 per month. At the end of 6 years, will the value be enough for his first year of college? At the end of the 6 years, will the value in the account be enough to cover the first year of college? How much does it cost me to go to college for 1 year? How much money do I have in my account after 6 years?
6,000.
Do I have enough money to go to this college for the first year? No. Okay, because right here is our future value. Okay, so this is what we're going to have in that account, 16,000, and we don't have enough. So no, we're going to write the future value. Is $16,737.76, and the cost is $18,620. So there's not enough in there, okay? There's not enough in there to attend this university. Sorry on the video, I'm teaching class at the same time. I had my paper was all the way over to one side. All right. How much difference is the amount they have saved from the total cost needed for his first year of college. Do y'all see how it keeps specifying the first year? Make sure you're reading that. So what is the difference in what they've saved and what they owe? How would I figure this out? Subtract what?
18, or how much it cost to.
18,620.
And how much he has.
And how much money does he have?
16,737.
Okay, and if you subtract those, what would you get? $1,882.24. So this is how much money they still need for who is this? For the Nelson family to send their child to this university for the first year. Okay? Just make sure now, when I want to reiterate this, just make sure when you're looking at this that you realize this is for 1 year at the said 4-year university. Okay? Thank you.